Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha Khatduh nem ya gajing shakri gajongka. Baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
Ka Sorkar jela kala rai ban Khot Ïakren Khatduh ikinong yelam jong ka harijan panchayat committee ha ka Taïew Khatduh jong uni Bnai nailur arjap saw. Ya kani la pentep du sembut menteri rangba katanat penroisor uba singaw balang dhar ha ka Ïakren bakilat pathai khubor ha ka spotorek unailur arjap saw. Ulai thuru bau chief secretary unsa Khot ya ka jingelang ya kinong yelam ka harijan panchayat committee ba unsa pharu ya ka kaipot Ïakren sya ka Sorkar.
So the 15 days which they have time from the government with the last meeting is already end. And another request they ask, so please give us time till last week of September. And we have instructed CS to call the last meeting with them, and they will submit the final report to us, and we will take call from the government side. So they have another few points to discuss with their higher authority, obviously, but I think this is the last extension for them. Till the end of this month, I think maybe by the last week, CS will call them, and he will submit the report to the government. What is the final discussion with them? I think it has to be. Just take this the last time. We didn't take it tactic because we always want to come to a good conclusion only as a government. That's we look for.